Hello my dear students, today we are going to solve exercise 3.2 from the chapter 3 data handling of the class 7. So let's start. Here this is the first question. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 50 students is as follows. So here they have given the marks of the mathematics test of 15 students, okay, and it is out of 25, and they have asked us to find the mode and median of the data, and they have also asked are they same. So let's check while solving. So to find mode, first of all we have to write all this data in ascending order, okay. So let's check which one number is smaller here. Here we have 5 as the smaller number, so I'll write first 5. Next we have 6, no we don't have 7, we don't have 8, we have 9 here, so I'll write 9. Next we have 10, so I'll write 10. Next we have 12, so I'll write 12. Next we have 15, so I'll write 15. Next we have 16, so I'll write 16. Next 17 we don't have, 18 we don't have, we have 19, so I'll write 19. And now we have 20 here, so I'll write 20. One more 20 we have, so I'll write 20 again. One more 20 we have, so I'll write 20 again. Again one more 20 we have, so I'll write 20. Now we don't have 21, 22, 23 we have, so I'll write 23. Next we have 24, I'll write 24. And now we have 2 times 25, so I'll write 2 times 25. Okay, so I wrote all the data in ascending order. Okay, now we have to check which number is repeated for more times. So when you look carefully, you will understand that the number 20 is repeated for 4 times. It is the larger. So we can say that the mode is 20. Okay, now we have to find median. So while finding median, we have the formula as n plus 1 upon 2th term is a median. Whenever we have n, that is the number of data with odd number, okay. Now but if we have the number of data of even number, then we have to use the formula n upon 2th term, okay. So as here the number of data is 15, which is odd number, so I am using this formula. Let's put the value of n in the formula. So I am getting here 15 plus 1 upon 2th term is the median. So 15 plus 1 is 16 upon 2. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So I got median as 8th term. Let's check which one is the 8th term. So here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th and 8th. So we have median as 20, okay, because 8th term is 20. Now they are asking us, are they same? Yes, mode is also 20 and median is also 20. So as mode and median both are same, okay. Now let's move to the next question, that is second one. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows, okay. So these are runs scored by 11 players, okay, and they are telling us to find mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? Okay, so first of all we will find mean, and we all know that the formula of mean as sum of all observations upon total number of observations. So let's add all the observations here, and that we have to divide by 11 because 11 players have played. So when I add all these, I got the answer as 429 upon 11. You can check it by adding, okay. So now here 11 ones are 11 and 11 39s are 429, okay. So I got mean as 39, right. Now we will find mode. So to find mode, we have to write all the data in ascending order. So here the first number smallest we have 6. So I'll write 6 first. Next we don't have 7, we have 8. So I'll write 8. Next we don't have 9, we have 10. So I'll write 10. One more 10 we have, so I'll write 10 once again. Next we don't have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 we have, so I'll write 15. One more 15 we have, so I'll write 15 again. Again one more 15 we have. Next we don't have 16, 17 and all, we have directly 50 now, so I'll write 50. Next we have 80. Next we have 100, and then we have 120. Okay, so I wrote all the numbers in ascending order. Now we will check which number is repeated for more time, that is 15 here. That's why the mode is 15. Okay, now we will find median by using the formula n plus 1 upon 2 the term, because n is 11 which is odd. Okay, so 11 plus 1 upon 2. So 11 plus 1 is 12 upon 2. So I got the term is 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So sixth term is the median. Let's check which is the sixth term. So here third, fourth and fifth and sixth term is 15. Therefore median is 15. Okay. So we found mean, median and mode, but they are asking, are the three same? No, they are not same. Mode and median are same, but mean is not equal to mode and median. Okay. Now let's move to the next question, that is third one. So here the weights in kg of 15 students of a class are, okay, they have given the weights and they have told us to find the mode and median of this data. Is there more than one mode? Okay, let's check with the help of ascending order. First of all, we will write it in the ascending order. Here the smallest number is 32. So I'll write 32 first. Next we have 35. So I'll write 35. Next we have 36. So I'll write 36. Next we have 37. So I'll write 37. Next we have 38. So I'll write 38. And one more 38 we have, so I'll write 38 once again. One more 38 we have, so I'll write 38 once again. Next we have 40, so I'll write 40. Next we have 42, so I'll write 42. Next we have 43, so I'll write 43. One more 43 we have, so I'll write 43 once again. One more 43 we have, so I'll write 43. Now we have 45, so I'll write 45. Next we have 47, so I'll write 47. Next we have 50. Okay, so I wrote all the data in ascending order. Now let's check which number is repeated for more times. Here 38 and 43, both the numbers are repeated for 3 times. So we can say that mode is 38 as well as 43. Okay, now let's find median by using this formula, n plus 1th term, n plus 1 upon 2th term. So because n is 15 which is odd number, so let's put the value of n here. So I got 15 plus 1 upon 2th term, that is 16 upon 2 the term. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 8s are 16, therefore 8th term. Therefore the median is 8th term. Let's check which number is 8th one, that is here. So here the 8th term is 40. Okay, therefore the median is 40. Now they are asking, is there more than one mode? Yes, there are 2 modes, that is 38 and 43. Okay, now let's move to the next question, that is 4th one. Here find the mode and median of the data. Okay, same as usual. First of all, we will find the ascending order. So here the smallest number is 12. So I'll write 12 first. One more 12 we have, so I'll write 12 again. Now we have 13. So I'll write 13. One more 13 we have. Next we have 14. One more 14 we have. Now one more 14 we have. Next we have 16. Next we have 19. Okay, so I wrote all the numbers in ascending order. Now when I check, I found that 14 is repeated for 3 times. Therefore the mode is 14. Okay, now we will find median by using the formula. As n is odd number, we are using this formula. Let's put the value of n in the formula, that is 9 plus 1 upon 2 the term. So 10 plus 10 upon 2th term. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So I got median as 5th term, and when I check I found that 14 is the 5th term, therefore median is 14. Now let's move to the next question, that is 5th one. Tell whether the statement is true or false. Okay. So the mode is always one of the numbers in the data. Mode is what? The number which is repeated for more times. So that should be the number present in the data, right? Therefore the first statement is true. The mean is one of the numbers in a data. No, it can be from other data, because mean is what? It is average, which we find by calculating. So the second statement is false. Third statement is the median is always one of the numbers in the data. Yeah, median is what? The number which is present in a place of a middle number is called as median. Therefore this statement is true. Next, the data, it has mean 9. Let's check with the help of formula, that is mean is equal to sum of all observations upon total number of observations. So all the observations are here. When I add them, I got the answer as 64 upon 8. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64. So I got mean as 8, but they have told mean as 9. So the fourth statement is false. So here the exercise 3.2 ends. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. If you like my teaching, then please subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone.